A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a groundbreaking legal confrontation, Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook has filed a lawsuit against former President Donald Trump, challenging his unprecedented attempt to remove her from her position on the Fed's Board of Governors. Cook's lawsuit, filed in federal court in Washington, accuses Trump of making an illegal move that threatens the independence of the central bank, a cornerstone of the U.S. financial system. The legal action comes in response to Trump's announcement earlier this week that he was dismissing Cook, citing unverified allegations regarding her mortgage applications. Cook, who is the first black woman to serve on the board, argues that Trump's claims lack merit and do not constitute cause for her removal as prescribed by the Federal Reserve Act. Cook's lawsuit seeks a declaration from the court that Trump's firing order is unlawful and void, and she is also requesting an emergency temporary restraining order to prevent her dismissal until the court can fully consider her claims. In her legal filing, Cook emphasizes that the allegations against her, made public by Bill Pulte, a housing finance regulator and Trump ally, are unsubstantiated and do not meet the legal standard required for removal. The Federal Reserve Act stipulates that governors can only be removed for cause, defined as inefficiency, neglect of duty, or malfeasance in office. Cook's attorney, Abe Lowell, argues that the allegations regarding her mortgage applications do not fall into any of these categories. The lawsuit further asserts that allowing Trump to remove Cook based on these claims would undermine the Federal Reserve's independence and could set a dangerous precedent, opening the door for political interference in monetary policy. White House spokesperson Kush Desai defended Trump's actions, stating that the president acted within his lawful authority to remove Cook due to credible accusations of dishonesty in financial documents. Desai claims that the decision to remove Cook enhances the accountability of the Federal Reserve Board, which plays a critical role in overseeing the U.S. economy and financial institutions. As tensions rise, Cook's lawsuit highlights the ongoing struggle between the Trump administration and the Federal Reserve, particularly regarding interest rates. Trump has long expressed dissatisfaction with the Fed's decisions, accusing it of being reluctant to lower rates to stimulate economic growth. Cook, as a board member, plays a vital role in setting these rates, and Trump's attempt to replace her with someone more aligned with his economic agenda raises questions about the central bank's autonomy. The implications of this legal battle extend beyond Cook's position. The outcome could have far-reaching effects on the Federal Reserve's ability to operate independently, a principle that is essential for maintaining a stable economy. Cook's lawsuit argues that an independent Federal Reserve is crucial to prevent political manipulation of monetary policy, which could lead to economic instability and hyperinflation. Legal experts have expressed skepticism regarding Trump's standing in this case, noting that the allegations against Cook have not resulted in any criminal charges. Furthermore, the lawsuit does not address the allegations directly, focusing instead on the legality of Trump's dismissal attempt. As the legal proceedings unfold, the case is likely to generate significant attention and could ultimately reach the U.S. Supreme Court, given its constitutional implications. The Federal Reserve has stated that it will abide by any court decision regarding Cook's status. Meanwhile, the White House maintains that Trump's actions are justified and necessary for the integrity of the Federal Reserve Board. The ongoing tension between the executive branch and the central bank raises questions about the future of monetary policy in the United States and the extent to which political pressures can influence the independence of financial institutions. As this legal battle continues, all eyes will be on the courts to see how they navigate these complex issues surrounding governance, accountability, and independence in the U.S. financial system. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.